A team can lose, then lose again, and still advance to the knockout stage of the World Cup. No, that is not a typo, and no, the referee did not make a mistake. This is a real official rule, and it is happening at this exact tournament. Most fans cannot explain how it works. They just accept it and move on. Here is exactly how it works. 12 groups, 4 teams in each group. Top 2 from every group advance automatically. That part is simple, but 12 groups means 24 spots for runners-up and group winners combined. The knockout stage at this World Cup needs 32 teams to fill out a clean bracket. 24 does not equal 32, so FIFA needed 8 more teams from somewhere. That somewhere is third place. The 8 best third-place teams across all 12 groups also advance. Not all 12 third-place teams, just the best 8. Here is why this exists at all. It is not generosity. It is not a participation trophy. It is pure arithmetic. With an odd number of groups like 12, you cannot split the qualifying spots evenly without creating a leftover. Someone has to fill those extra 8 slots, and best third-place team is simply the fairest way FIFA found to do it. Whether you like it or not, expanding to 48 teams created a math problem, and the third-place rule is the patch. Here is where it gets genuinely strange. Best third-place team is not about how that team played in isolation. It is a ranking across every group using points, then goal difference, then goals scored. This means a third-place team in one group can rank higher than a third-place team in a completely different group, even if they never played each other and never will. So picture this. A team finishes third in their group with 1 win and 2 losses. Somewhere else, a different team finishes third with the exact same record. One advances, the other does not. Same finish, same record, different group, different luck. And here is the twist almost nobody clocks until it happens to them. Because the rankings depend on results across all 12 groups, a third-place team's fate can change after their own matches are finished. You can play your final group game, walk off the pitch thinking you are out, and then qualify hours later because a different match in a different group on a different continent didn't go the way the table needed it to. You are not eliminated by your own performance. You are eliminated or saved by everyone else's. This is exactly the situation playing out right now. With group games happening across multiple days, every third-place finisher is sitting in a kind of limbo, watching matches they are not even part of, doing math in real time. So here is the whole mechanism, compressed. 12 groups create 24 guaranteed qualifiers. The bracket needs 32. The gap gets filled by the 8 best third-place teams ranked across the entire tournament, not just their own group. It is not a loophole. It is the math working exactly as designed. The game has not changed. You have. You're welcome. Subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. It means a lot.